Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Airtel SIM must be Volte enabled, and your phone must support Volte. Once done, place the SIM in the primary slot if you use dual SIM, and make sure you are on a stable 4G coverage area. Next, update carrier settings and the phone OS to the latest version. This ensures compatibility. Finally, reboot the device so the network picks up new parameters. This kicks off the activation process and prevents simple registration failures. You now enable VoLTE in your phone settings. Go to Mobile Network, find VoLTE or Enhanced 4G calling and switch it on. If you don't see the option, open the Airtel app or contact support to check your SIM profile and request VoLTE provisioning. Once toggled, your device attempts to register with Airtel's IMS servers. You should see a VoLTE icon within a couple of minutes. If not, toggle airplane mode or restart the phone to force re-registration and refresh network credentials. You finish by making a test call to confirm VoLTE. Look for the HD or VoLTE badge while the call connects and verify clearer voice quality and faster call setup. If voice falls back or quality is poor, make sure you have full 4G signal, try the SIM in the other slot, and reset network settings to clear stale configs. If registration still fails, contact Airtel support with your IMEI and SIM number so they can check provisioning on their IMS servers. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.